In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity.ai to generate content ideas and captions efficiently. So grab your favorite device, open your browser, and let's get started. The first step is to navigate to Perplexity.ai. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. If you're new to the platform, you'll want to create an account, which is straightforward and quick. Just follow the on-screen prompts to set it up, and soon you'll be ready to dive into the world of AI-driven content creation. Now that you're logged in, it's time to enter a prompt. Let's say you want to create some engaging Instagram content around personal finance tips. In the prompt box, you might type something like, "Create 10 Instagram post ideas about personal finance tips." Once entered, give Perplexity a moment to do its magic. The platform will generate a list of creative and varied post ideas tailored to your theme. This list is not only a springboard for your content strategy, but also an excellent way to explore angles you may not have initially considered. Next, it's time to review the list produced. Take a moment to go through each suggestion carefully and pick the ones that resonate most with your brand or content goals. Keep in mind your audience's preferences and the message you want to impart. Choosing the right ideas at this stage helps ensure your content will be both relevant and engaging. Once you've selected the ideas that stand out, it's time to craft some captions. In Perplexity, you can ask for help by requesting it to write engaging captions for each post with emojis. This step is crucial because captions can greatly affect the performance of your posts. The inclusion of emojis not only adds a visual element but also helps convey emotion and tone, making your content more relatable and appealing. Now, let's not forget about hashtags, as they are essential for increasing the reach of your posts. Ask Perplexity to suggest 15 trending hashtags for these posts. It's incredible how effective the right hashtags can be in connecting your content with a broader audience, as they bridge your niche to interested users on Instagram. After gathering your captions and hashtags, you might want to refine the tone and style. Depending on your brand identity and audience expectations, you can instruct Perplexity to, for example, make it professional, or make it humorous. Adjusting these elements ensures that your content aligns with your brand voice and engages your followers effectively. Finally, make sure to save your content ideas, captions, and hashtags. Organizing these materials is essential for streamlined scheduling on your chosen social media platform. You can use content management tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to align everything effortlessly, and there you have it. A comprehensive guide to leveraging Perplexity.ai for generating and enhancing your social media content. Remember to review and refine regularly for the best results. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.